In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an audiobook as finished in the Audible app on iPhone. If you've just wrapped up a great listen and want to keep your library tidy, marking a title as finished is a quick way to track your progress and improve recommendations without removing the book from your account. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a clear and simple way. First, open the Audible app on your iPhone. It's the familiar orange icon. Give it a moment to load your content. If you've been listening recently, your most recent titles might appear right on the home screen, but we'll go to the library to make sure we're looking at your full collection. At the bottom of the screen, tap Library. This tab is where all your owned and downloaded content lives. You'll see different filters and categories that help you organize what you've purchased and what's on your device. Next, tap Audiobooks. Audible includes more than just books these days, so choosing audiobooks narrows your view to exactly what we need. This keeps podcasts and other content out of the way and focuses the list on your audiobook titles only. Now find the audiobook you finished. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to type the title or author, which is especially helpful if your library is large. If you see sorting options, switching between recent and alphabetical can make locating the book faster. The goal here is simply to locate the specific title you've completed. Once you see the audiobook in the list, look for the three dots, often called the More Options menu, located to the right of the title. Tap those three dots. This opens a small menu with actions related to that specific audiobook, so you can make changes without opening the full details page. From the menu, tap Mark as finished. That's it. You've now told Audible you're done with that title. This updates its status in your library, helps organize your listening history, and can refine future suggestions. It doesn't delete the book or remove your access. You can still reopen it, re-listen to favorite chapters, or even change the status later using the same menu if you decide you're not quite done. To recap, open Audible, go to Library, choose Audiobooks, find your finished title, tap the three dots, and select Mark as finished. Keeping your library up to date makes it easier to see what's next on your list. Happy listening and enjoy your next audiobook.